Hello, well welcome to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the hauls that I've done lately. I've been on somewhat of a shopping spree. As you guys may remember, I've lost quite a bit of weight and I'm like back down to my normal size that I've been for like the past 20 years. And so I feel really good about it, and I had to go to an event the other night and none of my dresses fit. I was like, what the fuck am I going to do? So I've been shopping a little bit, just trying to get things that I really needed, not really shopping unnecessarily. So please stay tuned if you're interested. So the first place that I had an opportunity to go to, I actually got this through the mail because I didn't have time to actually go to Zara. But Zara is one of my favorites. I really focused on accessories with Zara. So I have some beautiful black dresses that I have, and I thought, okay, let me kind of jazz it up with a few nice accessories from Zara. So this scarf is gorgeous. I love it. And so you could put it with a black dress, you know, tie it around your purse, whatever. So I particularly love their accessories. So this came from Zara. It was a good find. And then I got this one, just gorgeous. And I thought, oh, this would be nice with the winter white dress. You know, just kind of putting it together. I love scarves, especially in the winter. In the summer, I will generally wear like a scarf. Definitely scarves on my purses. But I tend to like a scarf around my neck just to kind of help accent and complement the outfit. But Zara has really stepped it up. I've been shopping at Zara, I swear, I think at least 10 years, at least. I got a couple other good finds. I have clip earrings. I don't wear pierced earrings. I had an issue growing up with a knot that formed on one of my earlobes. And so my mom took me to have plastic surgery. Oh, hello. And saved my life, basically, so I didn't have to walk around with that on me. So this here are some earrings that I found at Zara. Just gorgeous. I love them. And they're clip-ons. So I was pleased to find clip-ons. Whenever I purchase or find some, let me get it right. Whenever I find earrings that actually are clip-ons, I get them. So Zara, once again, has stepped it up. So I got that pair. And then I also bought these. These are like a gold-plated, beautiful earrings. Oh my God, great for either. You can wear it for work. They're a little big for work, but definitely for an event or after dinner or dinner out. Yeah, love it. So I ended up getting 3 pair of earrings. So I'll show them all to you. This is the other set. Last but not least, and I love them. Love them. They're pretty big, but I actually have large earlobes and I can kind of pull it off. Fortunately, I have a long neck, so that all works out. So I love my purchases. And a couple other things. I had an opportunity to go to Nordstrom's Rack, which is one of my favorites. I don't get a chance to go there that often, but when I do, I stock up. I love the fact that they have designer wears for reduced. They then also have like this whole designer section, which I spend a lot of time in, okay? So I was fortunate to find these gorgeous Haan. They're sort of like sneakers slash snow boots slash streetwear. I love them. If you could see the interior, I mean, these are hot. Very nice. I will do a video just showing me in an outfit with them. I love them. I haven't worn them actually, but I tried them on and they're very comfortable. I also was lucky enough, hello, to find these Timberlands. Now I was like, what the hell, Timberlands at Nordstrom's Rack? But I'll take it. These are gorgeous. I needed some new ones, and it's so funny when I buy things like this, and it's a beautiful suede. I'm not wearing this shit out in the snow. I'm going to wear this one is relatively nice, not rain, and I can get away with it. So, love those. A couple of other things, as I said in one of my previous videos, Henri Bendel is closing shop, which really hurts my heart. I can't say that I was an avid shopper, but I used to go there, especially when I went to the landmark store in New York, either the Brooklyn or down by Fifth Avenue. So I got my second pair of shades. And initially I thought, well, you know, do I need another pair of shades? And then I saw Jacqueline Hill's collection. I'm like, yes, you need another pair of shades. So here we go. Let's try this on. Let me see. Oh, okay. This shit is off the chain. I love these glasses. I don't know when I'm going to wear them in this cold ass place about to come up where I live now. But I love these. They're so stylish. And they're very lightweight too. I love them with this beautiful signature Henri Bendel on the side. So stay tuned. And while I was at Nordstrom's Rack, I was like, okay, once again, I'm addicted to watching Jaclyn Hill. I love her stuff. And so after doing her closet tour, you know, I was like, okay, well, I can afford to get a couple more pairs of glasses. Found these sunglasses that is. And honey, love it. Love it. Jacqueline Onassis all day long. I love these. Love these. One other thing I stopped by Michael Kors. I've already put this bitch on the hanger. Gorgeous. Like a very beautiful paisley. It's a button-down blouse. I love it. And you can wear it. I plan to wear it with just like some black leather pants or fake leather pants, which I bought at Club Monaco. I don't find Club Monaco too many places, but when I'm on the East Coast, they're plentiful. And when I was over in Europe, I was able to buy some things from Club Monaco. I picked up these, quite nice. So this is the front, actually, and then this is the back. It's more of a spandex, kind of nicely fitted, very nice stitching. So I plan to wear that with the paisley shirt. And also at Club Monaco, I was very fortunate to find this also. They were having a huge sale. I think it was like 35% off, 30 to 35% off things. I found this. It's a beautiful shawl. I hope you can see this. And it actually have arms, so you can, when it's a little chilly, put it on and there you go. Okay, so I can't wait to wear that whole ensemble. I'll try and take a picture of it. I don't know that I'll actually vlog in it, but I'll try and just give you guys a hint of how it looks all together. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I keep saying this on all my damn videos, but I am going to start a blog. I've started it. I just have some fine-tuning to do, so please stay tuned. And I appreciate all the support, and please leave a comment. Let me know what your best finds are. And every now and then I will have a giveaway. I don't have anything from this collection, but I do give away a lot of makeup. So please stay tuned, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.